Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a little demo and review on some extensions that I got off of Amazon.com for $33, which is a really good price for extensions. I am wearing them right now, and if you guys are interested and like what you see, I will also link the exact ones down below so you guys can go ahead and check them out. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Here's how they look. I've not opened it yet at all. This is from the brand Love Bite, and I got the shade 1B, and these are 18-inch extensions. The clips are already on the hair. On the reviews it said that you could treat this as if it was your real hair. You could style it, curl it, dye it, all kinds of things that you would do to your actual hair. So here is the hair fresh out of the package, and it comes in, I think it's 7 different pieces, but here is how it looks. Now this was $33. Normally when I used to get extensions it was at least 60 plus, so I thought this was a really good deal, and it looks like it is going to match my hair pretty well. So like I said, I think it's 7 pieces, and they're like all different sizes because they're going to go on different areas of your head. So we have 2 of these like medium ones, this really long one, and then some smaller pieces. So as you can see, my hair is kind of a mess right now, but I'm going to go ahead and pop in the extensions and try to style my hair as if it were my own. Okay, so as you can see, it obviously looks crazy right now because this is all straight and my hair is all like wavy. So I'm going to go ahead and try to style it now, but it looks like a really perfect match for my hair color so far. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue styling it and see if I can make it look like it is my hair. Okay, so I went ahead and styled the hair, and I think I could probably use another pack. It's not necessary, but just because my hair is so much shorter than the extensions, I think that it wouldn't hurt to have another pack. But it did take the heat pretty well, and I think that I can definitely make this work. Usually what I do is I like cut some of the extensions just to kind of give it a little bit more layers, which I have not done that yet, but I think that that would also help. But you could see my real hair stops here if I like pull it out, but I do like these a lot. I think that for the price it's definitely worth a try, and they did also have a few different colors. That is how they look. Like I said, they took the heat really well. They curled just as my normal hair did, and I didn't have any problems with it. The clips seem really nice and strong as well, and I feel like they're just gonna hold on there really well. Even though I didn't back comb, usually you back comb to keep it in place, but I didn't do that this time around just to see how the clips are, and they're fine without it. I actually just noticed that in the package it also included a couple of extra extension clips, so you can just sew those on if you need to. And then it also included a couple of these little alligator clips, which would have been helpful if I would have noticed sooner when I was putting the extensions in. But I think that's really cool. I think it's a nice plus that they just threw these in just in case. I think that is actually really useful. So again, for the price, I think that these are really great extensions. Again, it was $33 and I got 18 inches. And the bonus clips obviously make it an extra plus. So if you guys want to check out the hair extensions, I will have the exact ones that I bought linked down in the description. You guys can go ahead and check those out. But that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. I hope you did find it helpful, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will be seeing you guys in my next one very soon. Bye.